What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mizzy Miss Cool Cat YouTube representing the Birds, the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Cool Cat channel. Also, if you support me, you support the Birds of Broad Street, if you support Cool Cat Mitch, and if you support Jalen Freakins! Cool Cat merch is up right now. Go get your Cool Cat merch. Click the link right here in the description and go get your Jalen Freaking Hurts merch, your Birds of Broad Street merch, your Cool Cat merch, and your Cool Cat Mitch merch. Please click the link right here and go get your Cool Cat merch. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mizzy Miss Cool Cat YouTube representing the Birds. So what did I tell y'all about Howie Roseman, huh? What did your boy tell you about Howie Roseman? Just be patient. Just be patient. Take your time. In Howie Roseman, we trust. Right? Philadelphia Eagles signed Terrell Edmunds. 1-year deal. Lane Johnson gets an extension added to his 3-year deal. So he's here for 4 more years until 2026. What did I tell y'all? Huh? What did I tell y'all? That smells like an extension coming for Jalen Freaking Hurts. Coming soon. What did I tell y'all, huh? What did I tell y'all when it comes to Howie Roseman? Terrell Edmunds. When all of y'all whined, moan, and complain about a safety, Howie Roseman gives it to you. The offensive line remains intact with Lane Johnson. Told y'all, with Jalen Freaking Hurts, we're the best team in the NFC. Don't let no street rat, Jersey Giant, Washington away, 40 whiners, or anybody else tell you any different. When you got Jalen Freaking Hurts, anything's possible. I tried to tell y'all about Howie Roseman, but some of y'all don't want to listen. I tried to tell y'all to just be patient. Just be patient. Take your time. And Howie Roseman we trust. Oh, we lost Javon Hargrave. Howie Roseman, look, he got this. We lost Booby Miles Sanders. Howie Roseman got this. Chauncey Gardner-Johnson. Howie Roseman got this. And we're not even close to the draft yet. The draft is a month away. Trust in Howie. Trust in Howie. Trust in Howie. You got enough cap space to sign more free agents. You got enough cap space for the draft, and you damn sure got enough cap space for Jalen Freaking Hurts and this contract extension.
On the road to victory, EAGL.